Well, welcome back, and we're here. I show you an install of the WaterPik. This was from Costco specifically. I know it says $40.49. I picked it up for $39.99. Ours broke. You'll see why. Pretty good reviews, so we'll see what happens. Tools together, of course, some gloves for safety. Channel lock wrenches with a little towel. Show you that comes into play later. Of course, a wire brush, or in this case, a nylon brush. Some plumber's tape, which is optional, arguably. Told you not to, but French wrench, crescent wrench, monkey wrench, which way you want to call it. So I picked up the unit, brought it home. Again, some decent reviews. Came with everything you needed. Now, as far as the silicone tapes is concerned, the instructions are very clear in suggesting you did not need any silicone anywhere on the plumbing portions, but I put some on the metal portion just out of my own little, So this is the original one. As you can see, it was cracked there. I put it back actually for some dramatic effect on the install, but in reality, that piece came flying off and hit me in the head. Get rid of that thing there. Just wrap the towel here around what was left of the attachment, just so I don't scratch the metal part of the actual plumbing that comes out of the wall. Some turns there, and should be able to come off with your hand. Not a big deal. It's a good way to not scratch anything. I've done this on multiple things, including on my car even. As you can see, I had some plumber's tape on there previously. What you really want to do here is take a look at the inside there and make sure you get all the washers out, as well as on the actual plumbing fixture coming out of the wall there. As you can see, it's got a little filter and a washer. So you're going to want to clean that up, get all the old silicone off, at least as much as possible. Give it a good scraping there. Especially if you're going to be putting some more tape on, you want to make sure that you get right in between all those grooves. The reason I chose this is Showerhead from WaterPik. One, it was from Costco, which I like buying from there. The return policy is amazing. But outside of that, it did have a control. It looked like it had some sort of control to lower the amount of pressure. This is going in the kids' tub after all, and you don't want them to have this thing spraying in their face too hard. So wrap the plumber's tape around there. I like to do it clockwise. Just feel that when you're putting the screen stuff on, it stays on better than if you wrap it around clockwise. Give it a pass. Maybe put a couple of pieces too on there, but we don't do this. Before I put the back piece on, we're going to get that rubber. That was from the old Showerhead fixture. So this comes with looks like a little die that screws in there. That obviously provides all the pressure. It has a built-in washer, so there's really nothing else. I just put the adjustable wrench on there. Give it a few turns. Not too tight, you don't want to snap anything, but again, they said no silicone required, so. This piece was kind of awkward because you try to turn on as a regular screw on, but it's actually the back piece that turns in the proper righty-tighty, lefty-loosey type directions. So it looks like I'm having some trouble there, but eventually get it on. So you really, besides the crescent wrench, you don't need much other wrenches. Everything is pretty much just hand tight everything. Gives you a couple of nodules there at the top to give you some leverage, and that's about it. So now we're about to attach the hose. It depends how far out your pipe comes from the wall. You might want to straighten this thing up. As well, I found that when I put my shower head back in the holder, it did hit the roof, so I had to really point it downwards. But again, hand tight. Overall, the installment time shouldn't be more than 20 minutes, I would say, at most. And that's it. Make sure everything's nice and tight. And we'll give the shower a little test. Oh, looks okay, no leaks. And we'll play around with the adjustment tool there. And that's about it, folks. So I hope this was informative, and please, if you don't mind, give me a subscribe, hit the like button. Just trying to get going here of some of my Prasmatic YouTube channels. Thank you. Take care.